Good morning, Tallahassee. This is Amanda Nally, your multimedia reporter for the Tallahassee Democrat and Tallahassee.com, here to bring you your traffic and weather. As you can see today, I decided to go ahead and do this outside one more time before that heat gets just unbearable. If you don't know, we are under a heat advisory today. That's because that heat index will be up to 170 degrees here in Tallahassee and in the Leon County area. Now, if you have to go to the coast for work today, it's going to get even hotter. Those heat indexes are going to be between 110, even as high as 114 degrees on our coast, and that's throughout the Big Bend. So if you work outdoors, make sure you have lots of water, make sure you take the time to cool down. It's going to be a hot one today. As for traffic, so far this morning at 7 a.m., Tallahassee Police Department, Leon County Sheriff's Office, and the Florida Highway Patrol are reporting no crashes on our roadways. But there's still plenty of time for that to happen, so do be careful out there on the road. And I know that there is a little bit of a fog going on this morning, so again, be careful as you're driving into work. The rest of our weather, we have about a 20% chance of our afternoon showers. That chance will drop down to about 10% this afternoon. As for temperatures, we have it will be a high near 98 today and a low of about 77 tonight. Winds will be pretty much calm, pick up to about 5 miles per hour and then drop back down to calm again. As for news on Tallahassee.com today, we have a story about TPD is looking for information about a robbery suspect. So if you think you might know something, please read that story and send them any information you can. We also have your latest information on the animal control ordinance, Tropical Storm Emily, and of course the upcoming Knowles basketball season. Other than that, I hope you guys are having a great day. Be sure to check out Tallahassee.com and have a safe and a good one out there. Thanks.